Hi, my name is Sahiba and this is Flux. And let me give you a sneak peek into Accents, which is our contemporary dance course. It is a course that is intuitive, passionate, and deeply rooted in technique. A course where feeling meets form, where the body begins to find deeper connections within itself. It is a practice of listening, of sensing, of discovering efficiency, softness, and joy inside movement. This is one such class by Yash, a teacher of the Accents program. And in this class, we traveled deeper into the body, finding circularity and singularity all together, all within. And through technique, our bodies slowly remembered something they had been waiting for: to be heard, to be seen by us, because movement has always been natural to us. This is a very interesting question. So let's start with the first thing. We return to our core, our center, our axis, our strength, or what I call as our tangible reality. You see, every class is different, and every class awakens a different part of us, yet speaks the same language: the language of release, the language of circularity, and of deep listening. This was one such class with me, where we began with the touch of Pilates, grounding ourselves before allowing the body to open. And so, slowly, rhythm by rhythm, breath by breath, we begin sensing one another, moving together, listening together. This is how we find power, not through force, but through awareness. It is always a pleasure to have Sham attend one of my classes, and today was one such class. Sham is also another teacher at the Accents program, and the way he moves and the way he connects with strength and mobility just blows my mind every time. Yes, I understand. This can all feel very scary, intimidating even, especially if you haven't moved before. And so, at Flux and in Accents, what we do is we go slow and we go deep. Bit by bit, we build strength, mobility, endurance, grace, and flow, allowing the body to understand movement naturally. Because dance is not foreign to us, the body remembers, as though it has known this from ages ago. Dance is not something that we have to learn, it is something that we have to return to. And that is why we spend time with technique, not to make the body rigid, but to make it free. We return to the foundations again and again and again, multiple times, patiently listening, refining, repeating, until movement begins to feel less like instruction and more like instinct. Until the body understands where to place itself, how to fall, how to release, how to carry rhythm through space with ease. And slowly, what once felt intimidating becomes familiar, just like that, with consistency and constant dedication and drills to work towards the right kind of technique and find the right flow in our body. It's not only something that becomes familiar, it also becomes beautiful, more joyous, more efficient. So, as someone who's been teaching for 17 years now, I would only tell you that this is not something to fear. We work with technique in essence, and along with that, we work with hope. Hope that the more we listen to the body, the more intuitive, the more joyous, and the more efficient it will become. At Flux, it is our culture to be both free and disciplined. We break movement down gently until the body remembers, and then it moves. Because perhaps it was always meant to. So, if you resonate with this, and if your body is reaching out to dance, then reach out to us. I look forward to seeing you in class. Let's start this intuitive journey with the body.